What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today, happy Monday, and Bitcoin is moving up strong. We are going to take a look at the charts. Things look very bullish. I'm going to give you my predictions. I've been really on about the market, about Bitcoin, about altcoins, pretty good. I'm going to share a bunch of stuff with you. One regarding altcoins called Rio. If you take a look at the chart, we're going to take a look at the chart. It's dropped. I'll give you the reasons why. Okay, I'll let you know right now that I am no longer as bullish as I was on the project, but we'll get into that, and then we're going to take a look at meme plays. We're going to take a look at altcoins, but memes seem to be the clear winner this cycle, and I think that's going to continue. So we're going to take a strong look at different meme plays because, man, things look like October seems like it just might be getting started in the second half of this month, second half of October. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, so really quickly, let's just do the Rio thing. Rio network. Look at these drops right here over the weekend. It was because there was FUD, okay, regarding a proposal that was going to increase the circulating supply. I think it's going to be voted on today. It's probably going to pass from 75 million to 125 million, something along those lines. And yeah, so the people didn't really like that. It's probably still going to be a good project, but and eventually it will come back up, I think. But there are other projects now that I like better, even in real world asset space. The move that they did, because the reason why is because the validators aren't getting compensated, and to do that, well, they are. But the compensation is dropping, so to do that, they want to increase the supply so that they can give that stuff the more supply to the validators. The inflation is going to be between 5 and 7% a year, because it's going to the increase is going to happen over the course of 38 years. So it's not horrible, but again, right now we're at the point where we want to be in projects that are moving up, that don't have all these issues, and so that's why I don't like Rio. I don't think it's gonna go to zero or anything like that, but you should need to know that. If you were looking at it, maybe I'd look at other projects, and we will be looking at other projects now. But right now, let's take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin on the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. All right. And here we are, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, it dropped down, okay? Kind of scared everyone. And then Monday just ripped right up. Look how it went right through quickly. 64,361, this area right here, where I said if we get past this area, I think then we're going to make the attempt to 69,179. And well, there we are. All right. People that were down here thinking, oh man, it's the end, it's over. I don't think so, guys. Once we get past this area, and it seems like we will, this week we're probably going to try to hit 69,179. Will we break through? I don't know. We'll take it day by day. But the crazy thing is, right, DXY continues to move up. It went through this area right here. But the DXY keeps moving up, but the Dow Jones, new all-time highs, the NASDAQ, at least got past this area, right, which is good. I was thinking maybe if it couldn't get past this area, it would turn, but it hasn't. It went past this little area, and it keeps moving up and up, and it's threatening to get to new all-time highs too, guys. The S&P 500, new all-time highs, guys. Okay, so things are looking pretty good. It's just strange that the right now they're having a positive correlation, the DXY and the other risk markets. That'll probably change at some point. Let's see how high the DXY goes, but hey, it is what it is. Bitcoin right now showing a lot of strength. Now, one of the things is that shorts got liquidated, so let's look at that really quickly. Bitcoin surged past 64,000, liquidating over $182 million in positions, with most losses coming from short sellers who bet against the rally. Binance led the market with 77.33 million in liquidations. Analysts now expect more liquidation events as Bitcoin pushes higher, forcing bears to exit their positions and further driving upward momentum. This uptick could fuel another rally through October, guys. So let's take a look now. Go back to Bitcoin. Okay, the weekly. We're going to take a look at the weekly and the monthly. All right, the first half of the weekly, and then we'll look at the monthly. So look at this. This was last week's, that perfect cross, basically. Okay, look how low it went down, and then try to go up, and then just opened. It closed where it opened. Crazy, right? And this is kind of a reversal pattern, and right away, boom, Monday. Now this candle that we're on right now, we're looking at the weekly, closes on Sunday, so it's got a long way to go. But so far, it is engulfing previous weeks, the week of the 30th of September. Completely. And we're way above where we were last week. So 2 weeks ago and this week in one day, boom, see you later. See, that's that's again volatility. That's the power of crypto. It can work against you, but when it goes the other way, you are really happy. All right, so what can we expect here? Well, for that, let's take a look at the monthly really quickly. I already told you what to expect, but this is why you got to go with how you see things. And well, this was last month, and this is this month. Check out the beginning, right? All the way that drop, as you can see, the wick, the long wick, but you could see that before, right? And then you see the bodies above. And so I'm thinking, okay, same thing. Maybe the first half is this way, and the second half we go up, and now that's exactly what's happening, right? In one day. Nice and green October, like it's supposed to be, right? How high do we go? Now, I did mention to you that we'd probably see a wick up and then the body close below this 69,179. So let's see if we do see the wick up here and then the body close below it, but above this and above this line, ideally, right? Let's see how that works out. Or maybe just maybe we see the body above it. But we'll see. Maybe that might just be destined for November to have the body above 69,179 and December as well. I mentioned to you guys between 80 and 100,000. Maybe last week it sounded crazy, but this week doesn't sound too crazy anymore, does it? For the end of the year. All right, so daily. Let's go back there. Beautiful green candle. Beautiful green candle. I love it. Let's see if we can stay above this little area, 65,000. Let's see if we can, although we're wicking back right now, this is the little area that we got to get through. And if we do, I still think we're gonna, and I think we are gonna try to hit 69,179 probably this week. All right, let's see how that goes. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. Let's take a look. Boom. Okay, nice. I like it. It's in an upward trend. Others I like a lot. Okay, after this testing of this area of support, it seems like it said, okay, good enough. Let's go. And here we are, 229 billion, and things are looking pretty bullish. Things are looking extremely green, guys. Okay, now I would be looking at memes. Okay, memes are gonna still outperform. I would look at memes, I would look at real world asset plays, and I would look at gaming. Okay, you would look at those sectors, but I would focus mostly, honestly, on memes. And I know that sounds crazy, but hey, that's just the way it is. Miggles. Okay, I would look strongly at Miggles. I follow this project a lot. I know what's going on with this project. They have like $190,000 worth of in a wallet that the community has. The community, along with whales, along with other people that have donated for something. What could it be? Could it be a listing, a tier 1 listing, a Binance listing? We'll see. Right now, it's all speculation, but after this drop, right, I thought maybe we would lose this. And if we lost this area right here, 0.025, I thought maybe we could come back down here slowly. Maybe not reach it, but get down here somewhere like this, like we had before, right? But so far, after this drop, boom, we want to stay in this area. And that's positive. That's bullish, okay? Last time we did something threatened, we tried to get to the top of this line, although we got rejected. Maybe this time, and this is showing a lot of strength right now. Maybe this time we do break through this top line right here, which is resistance at 0.031, and if we do, we're going to 7, 6, 8 cents, and then after that we're going way higher, guys. The base plays, the base memes, and Miggles is on base. Mr. Miggles is on base. Toshi, okay, a base play. Okay, the base memes are going to do extremely well. Look at this, just moving up and up and up, very bullish. It's tried to go down, and it hasn't, and just keep making higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Toshi, one of the higher market cap ones currently, but still into the billions. Miggles into the billions. KeyCat, look at how beautiful that chart is. Again, another base meme coin play. All right, KeyCat, look, it's breaking through here, and it seems like finally breaking through this line. It's gonna go higher, guys. Okay, it's gonna go higher. How I see it, dog in me. After a little sputtering out, right? This would have been the best time to accumulate after this, right? And then boom, see you later. We're going higher. Dog in me, another meme coin play out of the base network. Definitely look strongly at the base network. Keeping with the base thing, Boomer, right? 7.8 million market cap, 226,000 volume. Look at that. Let's see what happens here. I think maybe a little consolidation, but if it breaks through, guys, it's going higher. Boomer, another one. Look at all the green here from all these, right? One that's interesting called Able. This is on Solana. Okay, I don't really like Solana too much, and right now it does look like it's finally dumping after this big move up. Let's get rid of this for a second. It's Fibonacci. all right, and see a nice green candle. This is actually when you would buy. Okay, this is actually when you would start buying, start nibbling, see how low it goes. Maybe it goes a little lower, you know, after this huge move. I mean, it has to consolidate a little bit, right? What goes up must come down. 8.7 million market cap this weekend. It was at 11. AABL, Apple. It's like Apple, like a parody of Apple on Solana. A meme coin play, 871,000 in volume. Check it out. Definitely worth checking it out, especially at this price. I'd be nibbling. Although I don't really like the Solana network too much. People do. I don't like it. But hey, it's a good project. It's a good project. And if it's gonna, you know, if it gets someone 50, 100x, then get in. You know. So that's one to take a look at too. What else did I want to bring to your attention? I think that was it. Now let's take a look at some other plays. Okay, because it's not just memes. Okay. Credit I would look at. Okay, Rio gaming play. See, it's still consolidating, but it showed a lot of strength bouncing off this area of what it is support at 0.042, and now we're at 0.05 cents. I don't know that we come back down here, but if we do, I would be a buyer if I had capital. I would still be nibbling right now because eventually this thing is going to keep moving upwards. Rio is a great project. Soonburst showing a lot of strength, and look at that moving up after this big drop, right? It's even went past this line right here. This little triangle. It tried to lose it. It went down all the way into this triangle, right? All the way down to 0.0039. Wicked up, and now in the last few days, it's showing a lot of strength, man. I think this is still like a 3 or 4 million market cap coin. Soonburst, guys, and showing a lot of strength. I think this time, you know, we are going to try to make the attempt and probably break through 0.011, especially if Bitcoin has a strong week. Neural AI, I don't talk about it too much, but it's still there, and I think Neural AI is going to do really well. AI and gaming, they do 3D models for games, all right, and as it's holding this line, okay, eventually it's going to start pumping up. What else would I look at? UBXS, okay. UBXS breaking through this little area. Let's see it right here today, breaking through this descending line. Let's see if it actually ends up proving to be a legit breakout, and if it does, the next area of interest would be almost 12 cents. Okay, Synverse, I'm still incredibly bullish right now. It's just still consolidating, not doing much, but eventually this thing will wake up. So I mean, to get it while it's so close to all-time lows, I'd nibble. I'd buy 100,000 or 200,000 of these. Prop base, look at that. After this drop, showing some strength. Boom, very nice, very good to see. If I drew a line here, it would go above it. So I mean, bullish on prop base too. All right. And if you had Rio, I would maybe start DCAing out and put it into other projects. If you're in gains, if you're in a loss, then I would wait a little bit. It's not going to go to zero. I would wait a little bit, see what happens. Eventually, it will turn around. People get bullish on it again. But I mean, I would still be looking for other projects. And once I get into profits, start or getting close to profits or break even, I would start taking that money and put it in somewhere else. Okay. Prop base. What else do I want to show you guys? Dynex looks like it's woken up, but let's see. I mean, it did it before, right? And then it dropped down like this. So I mean, I would wait. I would wait to see what happens. Dynex supercomputing, 42 cents. Interesting play. But again, before these, honestly, I would still be looking at memes on base. Okay, home 3. Okay, as you can see right now, looking like this could be just a continuation of this long wick right here. Okay. And I think this is at like 5 or 6 million market cap. I think it's going to move higher, but there is a 5% buy and sell tax on this, so take that with a grain of salt. And that's it. This is Able. This is another chart on Apple Able. I like it. Right now it's losing this, but look at this huge pump, man. And the meme is interesting. The community seems okay. I would take a chance on it, although we might drop a little bit more, right? We might not. It might come right back around. We'll see. But I mean, on red days, that's when you buy. And if it's a green day and you can find these little red things, these little red days within a green day, then that's what I would be focusing on. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. All right, let's go back and look at Bitcoin. But things are looking bullish. Week is starting strong. Let's see if we can hold this area. We have to hold the area of 64,300, 64,400. This line right here. Okay, if we can hold that, I think we'll be cool, and I think we will be looking to hit 69,179, guys. October, baby, October. Things are looking good. Things are looking bullish. I hope you had positioned yourself. When things are red, that's when you buy. When people are scared, that's when you buy, because you have to know where we are within the cycle, right? We are still in like right before the parabolic part of the cycle, the last 3 months. I'm telling you guys, right? And people try to put fear, and I'm telling you, don't sell. You know, red days, okay, if we drop, okay, we drop the lowest line, oh, we're closing in on 58,000, okay. I mentioned that we after the first rate cut, we probably wouldn't see 58,164 again, and so far, although we got close, so far we haven't touched it. So let's see if that prediction still holds to be true, and let's see if my prediction of 69,179 this week also proves to be true, because we did break above 64,300, and I said if we broke above that, then we are going higher. We are going to at least test 69,179. Let's see. All right, guys, and don't forget memes. Don't forget memes. Position yourselves as best you can, guys, because this next year is going to be amazing. Like, this next 12 months is going to be amazing. Okay, obviously you want to sell everything at the end or middle of 2025, whenever we see that the peak has, you know, we're close to the peak or right around there. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Things are good. Things are looking good. October seems like it's going to get started the second half of October. All right, and let's see how it goes. We'll take it day by day. Weird about the whole DXY thing, though, huh? We'll keep a close eye on everything like that. So just tune in tomorrow, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow the channel, and all that stuff helps. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.
Together.